brand new at 10 and a major decision. The U.S. Supreme strikes down a New York gun law, calling it unconstitutional. Mariel Carbone joins us now live in the studio with more. Mariel, could the ruling have big implications nationwide, including here locally?
Yeah, that's right. It really could. This Supreme Court ruling specifically mentions a handful of states that have similar laws to New York's, meaning those are in jeopardy too. One of them is Maryland.
It's an absolute disgrace.
At a time when tensions over gun control are high,
Increased violence in America.
the ability to carry a concealed weapon will become easier in some states.
It's kind of ironic.
Thursday, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled 6-3, finding a New York law which requires a person to show a need to carry a gun in public is unconstitutional. Maryland has the same law in place.
You would make application if you wanted to wear a gun on your person in public in the state. The application would be reviewed by the state police, and you would gain approval or disapproval from them.
John McCarthy is Montgomery County State's attorney. He worries if the law is overturned here, it'll lead to more gun violence.
Sadly, the lesson I've learned after doing this for several decades is that guns and violence and lethality go hand in hand.
That is what we try to change every year.
But for Maryland State Senator Steve Hershey, this is a win.
You should not have to justify this need to carry. There should not be a test for a constitutional right.
Hershey says it'll likely take some time and planning to address Maryland's concealed carry law. And he acknowledges it needs to be done correctly, both at the state level and federal level.
I think that we're going to see some things come out of Congress now that seem to be bipartisan in talking about background checks and things of that nature.
And Maryland's Attorney General says he is reviewing the ruling and its impact on the state. Reporting from the studio, I'm Mariel Carbone.